welcome back to Jess Fashion 101. I'm Jess and today I'm going to show you guys how to recreate this super cool orangey toned makeup look. I actually did this makeup look for when I was in Vegas a couple weeks ago, and I'll insert some pictures. I think I did a video. I think that's the only good video that I have, but I'll insert them so you could see. And I actually did this when I went to Gen Beauty as well, and I got a lot of really good compliments on it. And I've also gotten some people asking me to redo this makeup video because I had it on the face halo removal video that I shot a couple weeks ago. So I'll also insert a link for that so you guys can check it out and compare it, see if I did a good job. I did my best to recreate the look. I think I did a pretty good job. Let me know what you guys think on the comments down below. And without further ado, let's get started. So obviously we're starting off with a clean prepped face. I've already primed, so I'm going to go in with some eyeshadow. This is a MAC color and it'll be listed down below, so you just put this in the crease and just sweep it up. Now I'm going to go in with this Smashbox palette and I'm going to use the orange because I want a really orange burnt color on my eyes. Once you feel comfortable with the orange, you move on to this Naked Basics palette, and I'm using the two darker brown colors on at the outer corners of your eyes, and then you just kind of blend that in as much as you can with the previous brush you were using. Then I'm going to use my Fenty Trophy Wife, and I'm going to use my fingers to just pop that all over my eyes. And let me tell you guys, I've been loving this. Now I'm going to go in with my NYX Liquid Matte Eyeliner, and I'm not doing any wings, just keeping it simple. Of course, I have to add some lashes, and these are actually Sephora lashes. Now I'm going to use three different foundations, Estee Lauder, No.7, and MAC. And I'm just going to distribute that all over my face, and then use a beauty blender and blend it all in. Now I'm using my favorite concealers from NARS, Radiant Creamy Concealers, and putting that underneath my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, and on my chin, and blending it in with my beauty blender. Now I'm going to go in with that same matte color and just putting that underneath on the bottom lash line, and then using the same brown colors from the Naked Basics palette on the outer corners of my bottom lash line. Now I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Sculpt and Glow palette, and I'm going to use that to just bronze up my face a bit. And then I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder and just do a little bit of baking. While I'm letting that set in, I'm going to do a little bit of sculpting on my nose. I never do this, very rarely. Now to lock everything in, I'm using my MAC Studio Fix powder. And of course, my favorite blush, the Mineralized blush from MAC. To add a little bit of glow, I used the Becca on top of my eyes, and going back to the Fenty, I used that on the bridge of my nose and a little bit on my cheekbones. Then on the inner corner of my eyes, I'm going back to the Becca Champagne Pop. I've been loving this Essence Brow Tint Gel, and it's gorgeous and it's super inexpensive. So to fuse the lashes in my own lashes, I used the No.7 Lash Impact Lash Primer. I actually found that this was really cool to just kind of fuse them together, and I didn't need like an actual mascara. Now I'm using these really pretty liquid lipsticks from No.7 as well. I think this is the color Captivate. It's like an orangey pinky color, and I love it. This is the final look.
Don't be sad, you know I'll be right back.
So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys really like makeup tutorials. I'd love to do more if you guys like them. Just hit the like button, and then that way I'll know to slot in more makeup tutorials. And as always, all my social media links are listed down below, so don't hesitate. Go follow me on Instagram. I am the most active there. You guys can kind of see my lifestyle and how I fit in and like work a full-time job and do this amazing hobby on the side. Yeah, so I really hope you guys really like this, and as always, love you guys and toodles.